Welcome to OCL Vision, where we believe in personalized vision solution to meet your individual needs. Here at OCL Vision, we provide a comprehensive range of vision correction surgeries, including laser vision correction in the form of LASIK, LASIK, advanced surface ablation, and our state-of-the-art SmartSight lenticle extraction procedure. We also offer bespoke lens replacement surgery in the form of implantable contact lenses or refractive lens exchange. Your journey with us begins with a thorough consultation, where we perform a series of detailed scans and diagnostics to understand and assess your eye. We also take a detailed history and a thorough examination. We understand that every individual is unique, and we really take the time to listen to your concerns, allowing us to decide on the best and most suitable treatment option for you. At OCL Vision, we believe in empowering our patients to make informed decisions about their eye care. Experience the difference at OCL Vision today and see the world in clarity.